Nate, are those puppies stuck in there? You gonna pet the puppies? You gonna sit down? You can sit with them. Pet them. They say it's nice and cool back there. Uh-oh. Looks like they're eating you. They're playing back there, huh? Where are you going, bud? You running from the puppies? Are you running from the puppies? Run! Run, quick! No. Are you telling me about that? Oh, look at that one. He's got your leg good, huh? Run! Oh, I'll pick it up in a minute, okay? I'll pick them up in a minute. Why don't you come play with the puppies? Are you following that puppy? You want to pet him? You gonna come over and play with the puppies? Leave that puppy alone. Good job. I'll pick it up in a minute, okay? Come play with the puppies. Over here. Look at them all. Look at all the puppies. Nathan. Nathan, come here.